Hi everybody, how you doing? This is me again with another video. Today we'll be just doing a simple linear search and we will be executing it using just a simple function. We're not going to do it a straightforward program. I'll be doing it in C++ and using code blocks. Let's get started. I'm also not going to be typing out everything. I'm just going to be showing you line by line. It's quicker that way. All right, let's get started. New project console C++. Project title will be GCC compiler. Okay, we'll be doing this in the using C++, and we're just going to create a function really quickly. So in this function, we're going to take an array. We'll be taking a number size, which would be the size of the array, and we'll be taking a key or the number you're looking for, the number to search for. Alright, we will make 0 I equals 0. I'll explain after. Number size I less than number size okay if number at index I equals our key, the value we're looking for, then return I. We're just going to return the index the number was found in. And for loop. And if nothing is found, we are going to return -1. Okay. Simple linear search. It's going to come in. It's going to start at the first index 0, and it's going to look at that index, the value of the index. Does it match the key? If it doesn't match the key, it's just going to go back up again and look at the iterate 1 I and look at index number 1 and then do the comparison. No, not found. Go back up again, iterate I 2 to 2, and number is not found. It's just going to iterate until the number is found. If this works out to be true, if the number at I index equals 2, then we're going to just return I. We're returning the index the number was found in. And if the number is not found at the end of the search, just return -1. Okay. That's our test array that we'll be using. Here's some key values we'll be using as well. Not some values, I shouldn't say key values, but some values we'll be using. You can initialize this I in here if you want to, like this, but some of you may want to convert this to C, and C would not like that. So some of you, up to now, all of this syntax is welcomed in C if you want to convert this program to C. All right, until we do our print, our standard inputs and outputs, then you'll have to convert that yourself. But I'm doing it in C++. Okay, so what we're gonna do, this for loop is just gonna print out the numbers in the array. That's what that's going to do. Okay, then we are going to ask the user to enter the value that they want to have us look for. The value is going to be placed in key. All right, and we will call the array which does the heavy lifting, and the value it returns, remember this array linear search will return a value. It will be saved in key index. Okay, and this we're going to print some messages, that's all after that. So if we found a value, we're going to print one message. If we don't find a value, we will print another message. Really simple. Linear search is really simple. Nothing too complicated about it. Alright, so that has a bracket, that does not have a bracket. Okay, and let's return 0 to say that the software, the application ran and completed normally. Alright, that looks like it. Let's see, let's run it, save it, and let's run it and see our output. So here's our output. So we print out the array. We just want to test. This is a test array to make sure that what we are looking at is good. So let's enter a value of 2. Found 2 at index 0. So we did find 2 here. All right. Continue. Let's run it again. All right. Let's put 12. 12 was not found. Okay, so the linear search worked fine. And that is a simple linear search using C++. And it's popular with interviews. It's a popular interview question that an interviewer will ask you, linear search. The next video, I'll be making a binary search. It's also a popular algorithm that interviewers like to ask you about. All right, so know your linear search. The way I did it here, always practice using methods, your functions. Practice it. Don't just do a structured program, just straight. You know, always practice your methods. Let the interviewer see that you're a complete programmer. All right, thank you. Have a good day. That was C++ linear search. Bye.